Hello, my name is Muhammad Irfan, and today we Diploma in IT students are going to show you to create a game from scratch. Scratch is a visual programming language for beginners that create interactive storybooks and interactive animation. But today we're going to create a game. What game? It's similar to Flappy Bird, but we're going to change it a bit. So first the introduction, right? Muhammad Irfan, DIT 2023-10029.
The guidance are DIT 20203-408. My name is Adam, DIT 2023-10017.
My name is Sehani, DIT 2023-1001.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, first we're going to show you the product that we're going to have, that we're going to create. Okay, so that's the game that we are going to create today. Okay. So before we start, please turn on your PC and load up Scratch and download all of your images. The image that you need, I think we've downloaded the pillar already, right? Can the pillar is already done, but we need your PNG and the game over. We need you to download those two. The PNG can be anything. It can be anything. Your friend's face. Your friend's face, your friend's full body, anything, and you can play with them as a Flappy Bird. Okay, we've already downloaded our sprite. If you guys didn't know, sprite is the object that we're going to use. That is going to be interactive. Okay. Okay. So as you can see, we use our PNG will be cat. His name is Ben Chonky. It's a meme cat from TikTok. Okay, come on, let's do the name. Start. Okay, first we click on events and drag the flag button. Okay. Hello. Okay. Cool. Okay. Next, we go to the look section and take the set size and input the set size to 25%. Huh? Okay. Okay. Download the same thing that we asked them to download just now, for them too. Tak boleh? Memang tak boleh? Oh. Dia lag ke?
No, sebab dia tak pakai wifi.
Tak pakai wifi kan? Uh-oh. We're having some technical issues where we can't input the size. So please wait. Kenapa ni? Set size kan? Tak ada input. Ambil ni. Tak ada tu the keyboard lah. Tak ada. Try to input the PNG again. Delete ni. Letak PNG baru. Okay, there you go. We are back. Okay, after that, go to the motion section. And drag the block that says go to X and Y and change it to 0, 0. Then go to the variable section and create a new variable and put in Y velocity and put it for this sprite only. This sprite only. Okay, drag the set Y velocity and put the input to -1. To 10. Okay, sorry, set it to 10. Go to the control section and drag the forever loop and click on the variable again and change Y velocity by 1 and put in and put it to -1. Proceed to the motion section again. Motion. And drag the change Y by and betul kan? Okay. Change. Okay, and change Y by and go back to the variable section and put the Y velocity into the input. Sekejap dah. Kat mana ni?
Point in direction. Drag the block.
Drag the, okay. Go to the motion section and drag the point in direction. Then proceed to go to the operator section. Operator section and go for the plus. This one right here and put it down and drag it down. Okay, once you have 3 variables, put the first one to 90. Put the second one. The second one we have to go back to variables and put in the Y velocity. And the last one, plus 1 and 1. And then drag it inside the point in directions input. Okay, next set. Go to the event section, start new again, and go to the control section and put the forever loop. Insert if then, this one. Insert if then and go back to the... Okay, go to the operator section and click on the OR block and drag the OR block outside. And go to the sensing section and drag touching mouse pointer. No? Okay, drag the key space pressed and the mouse down, and insert it to the if then. Okay. Mana Adam? Okay. Head over to controls again. Wait there. Okay. Head over to the control section again and get the drag the wait until block, and go back to operator. And combine. Okay, and combine them together. Wait until, not, and or. Combine them. Input it inside the wait block. Okay, then duplicate this section and put it inside there. Okay. What's here? Put one flag is. Gimana? Okay, go back to variables and take the set y velocity, drag it down, and change the variable to 10. Now we go to the pillar. Okay, go back to the pillar. Go to events, and put when flag is clicked. And then go to looks, put the size, set size to, put to 100%. This is based on the PNG that you downloaded, on the object that you downloaded. Okay, next. Get the grab height button, put it down, go back to the control section, and take the forever loop. Okay, go drag down and find the create clone of myself and put it in the forever loop. Scroll back down and take the wait 1 second and insert it. Change the variable to 2 and put it inside the forever block. Okay. Scroll back down. Okay, go back to the control section, drag down until you find when I start as a clone. Put it down and go back to looks and find show. Make sure it's in a set. Go back to motion and go to X, Y. Change the variables in. And change the variables to 224 and Y and Y to, okay. And you have to go back to the operator section, find the random and put it inside the Y variable. And pick random is negative 100 to 100. Go back to the control section and take the repeat until. Go back to the operator section, drag this block and put it under there. Go back to motion and put in the X position in the first variable and change the second one. So negative 224. Take the change X block, drag it down, and set it to negative 3. Then go back to the control section, scroll down and find the delete this clone. and drag it to the delete this float. Okay, now go back to our object. Drag the if then block. If then block. Go back to the operator section. And drag the OR block, put it in the if then. And go to the sensing section. Take this block, put it inside, and put it in the first column. You have to change it to the name of this pillar. The name of this pillar should be this. And then go back to the operator section, take this particular block and put in the Y position for the first input, and as for the second input, put in negative 170. Okay. Put it to negative 170, drag the block and put it in the second column. Okay. Go to events, drag the broadcast, and then drag the broadcast and put it down here. And go to the control section and put in stop all block. Find stop all block and drag it down here. Okay, for the game over, so when it pops up, when we die or we lose, okay, put in the flag, take in the flag button, go back to the look section and click on hide. Next, go back to the events section, drag down and go to when I receive message. Go back to looks and put in show.
Basically, the game is done, but we need to
Okay, so this is the complete game. And if you want to insert the sound, insert sound. Okay. Okay, so go to the sound section, put on play sound and put it at the end here. And you have to export your sound, whatever sound you want, your whatever you want to put. You want to put a cat meowing. This one is for the game over. So you can put anything you want. And then for the click of the button, scroll up. Put on play sound under the and then okay, and we are all done. Okay, let's show you the end product. Yeah. Camera is alive? Oh, I think you have to put this in front. Try. Fat cat. Besarkan. Kalah dulu. Besarkan. Okay, so that is all from us, from DIP 2023 students.